Constructions. Let's see if I can get it up on YouTube. Constructions on YouTube. Why is that a problem? It's Firefox, huh? Sorry?
I say try Chrome
Try, try the S or VS with it.
Yeah, try this. Hi. No, something's going on.
Go to details.
it's probably updating.
Go on to that the VS group there. Yeah. Try again there.
Sir, see that little, what the numbers beside our names?
Yeah, look. So it says 30, 37.
IQ.
What?
IQ?
Is that it?
No.
What is it?
Scroll in my picture, sir, please.
What is it, sir?
I don't know. Is it an average score?
Go back.
Oh shit.
Second on next score, Brandon got 60.
Yeah, he's not even here, like.
And he ain't here anymore, so it's not that.
Anyway, I have a playlist done. So if you type in Seam called Mats space JC space constructions. Construction. Huh? Well, a lot of those constructions from the junior cert will be on your course.
That'll be the same method.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. So they're on your course. Right. What other type of questions? Sit up there now. What other type of questions?
There's not really time to play much now,
Do you need to know triangles, any of the triangle questions, any of the algebra? Page. There's a page there. Huh? Alright, there's one on page 136.
126,
136. If you have a copy, just write it down, give it a go. Right, A squared. Right, I'll give you some different values, so write it down, give it a go. So A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. What's the answer? Calculate the answer. The first thing you should do is replace the letters with brackets. Try it there. Then put in the values. Instead of A, put in 2, and instead of B, put in 3. Yeah? Have you got it done, Ben? So for A you put in 2, for B you put in 3, so that's 2 squared plus 4, 13. Alright. Alright, so using the same formula, just change that to
22.
minus 2 and minus 4. Alright, what you got, Sean?
Well, for the original answer, 841.
What you got?
841 was the original answer.
No, I'm talking about this one here.
I can't see answer with my glasses.
Alright, that's A squared plus B squared. It's the same. Can you not see that? On the board?
I can't see it. It's just a blur. It's just like really small.
Really?
I'm that blind.
Right. Okay. So what do you get? You put in minus 2 and minus 4. So minus 2 times minus 2
Oh yeah.
is 4 plus minus 4 times minus 4, 16. So you got 20. 4 plus 16,
Minus
20. No, 20. It's minus 4 times minus 4 is 16. Minus 2 times minus 2 is 4. Right, here's another one. Right, so it's going to be a slightly easier one. So we're going to A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4. Right, do that one because it's important for the next bit. Alright. 25, yeah. So you put the 3 in, you put the 4 in. So you got 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. So A squared plus B squared is equal to 25, isn't it? Right, the next part of the question, have you got that? So remember, A squared plus B squared is equal to 25. Right, here's the second part of the sum. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So we're using information from before. So you define the value of C. What's C equal to? Find what C is equal to.
It's 5.
Yeah, how did you do that?
Square root of C to the 25.
So yeah, so if you look at the two of them, what can you see? You can see that, well, they're the same. They're the same. So obviously these have to be the same. So C squared is equal to 25. C is equal to 5. Is that right? Yeah? What's that? Hey, Jordan, put away that stuff. What is it?
How much did I read the page, so I just wanted to write it down again. Right, the next question. So more algebra. So this is a quadratic equation. X squared minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So if you're asked to solve means you're going to find, solve means find the value of x. That's what solve means.
Right, so the first thing you do is you put brackets. Right, can you continue?
You put the x and you put your x and e roughly
And what do you do about the 10?
is find factors.
Factors, good stuff. And over here on the right hand side, we'll write down the factors of 10. Start with 1. 1 times. And now which pair add up to, add or subtract to give you 3?
Minus 5 minus 2. Oh,
Minus
minus
5.
5 plus 2.
Minus 5 plus 2 gives you minus 3. Now, right, if you were asked to find the factors, factorize, you would stop, you would be finished. They are the factors. But if you're asked to solve, you continue on. And you write down
X equal to minus 5.
Equals 0.
x is equal to
5.
5, x is equal to minus 2. What do these two numbers actually mean? Minus 5 and minus 2. Well, what they actually mean is, yeah, points on the x-axis. So they are, for example, so there's minus 1 and minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they actually mean that this graph here, when you draw it, when you actually draw it, cuts the x-axis at minus 2 and 5.
So you finish when you get to x equal 5 and x equal minus 2.
That's it, that's solved. Right. Well, I'm going to ask you to use this function and your calculator to find the points in the graph, and then I'm going to ask you to draw it. Plot the points. You go over and get a sheet and a green marker, and you'll plot the points. So you need, obviously it crossed the axis at minus 2 and 5, so I want you to do all the points from minus 5 to plus 5. What?
Times up or less.
Yeah, do this quickly. Come on, do it. Well, I'll tell you what, just using your calculator, put them back. Just using your calculator, put in this function, and do a start at minus 5, end 5. Go on, finish it off. Get your calculator. Do setup, 3 for table, and hit alpha x up there, squared, minus 3, alpha x minus 10.
G start at 1.
Start at minus 5. Equals end at 5 and step 1. There are all your points. So you draw your graph, alright?
For that there, so you know it goes start. What was the start? What was the start?
Well, I chose minus 5. You could have chose minus 3. Remember when we found the factors here?
Yeah.
Where did it cross?
Minus 5 or minus 2.
Minus 2 and 5. So it's a good idea, if I want to draw my graph, I might start at minus 5. 3, 4, 5. If I go to 5, I'll have to finish there like that. See that? If I go as far as 5, I'll have all of these points to there.
Yeah, that's the end.
If I want to continue it on, I'll need minus 5 to 6 to 7 to 8. Alright?
So steps then will be 1.
Steps
It's
1.
1 and 1 step.
Always, yeah. Good stuff. Great stuff, great stuff, great stuff, great stuff. Alright.